Hey everybody, so I'm going to show you a simple recovery technique if you're dealing with something like tennis elbow. So what we want to think about is after we get done playing, we want to make sure we can recover really well. So an easy recovery technique is something called just self-massage to those areas, right? So the reason we have tennis elbow for the most part is these muscles that run along the forearm and the tricep generally tend to get a little more concentric, which basically means they're just super tight and tense. So what we want to do is keep them from getting really tight and getting kind of pulled on that insertion site. We want to give them a little slack, right? So the way we can get them slack and take pressure off that tendon is just something simple like grabbing these muscles, putting some pressure through it, and just give it some nice massage. What we want to think about is giving it some deeper pressure massage. That way the muscles can be a little more relaxed with it, right? They're not going to respond to something really soft. So what we want to do is give them some pressure and just cause over these trigger points or pressure points or anything like that to relax, okay? And what that's going to do is they can relax, then they should take some tension off of that tendon, right? So we just kind of work our way through here, all up through there, finding those points that are most tender and just working that until they feel like they can get a little more tension off of them. You can also kind of wiggle your fingers, make a little grip with it, as long as it's pain-free, and that should help it relax as well. Now, this big bundle of muscles that cross across, you can also grab them, turn your palm up, and just give it a nice stretch this way. That should create a little slack right over here so it's not getting pulled on. And just pushing it across. That should feel a nice easy stretch all along that area. Just making sure we can turn our palm up with it as we go. Now you can also work right back in here. And so we can just grab the tricep, putting pressure through it, and just kind of squeezing it between your fingers like that. And that'll give it a nice little stretch as well. Something easy is if you have a massage gun, what you can do is use the vibration massage gun all along the forearm, all along the tricep, and just make sure it feels nice and relaxed after you get done playing. That way we keep the tension out and hopefully the pressure off of the elbow. I hope that helps. If anybody has any questions, feel free to reach out.